Ever wondered if unlocking the power of Apple Music for your app would drain your wallet before you even launch? Let's get straight to the point. Accessing the Apple Music API itself doesn't require upfront payments. Apple provides these tools for developers to integrate their music streaming service into various applications. However, the crucial detail lies in your application's purpose. If you're building a non-commercial, personal project like a simple music player just for yourself, you likely won't encounter any licensing fees. But if your app generates revenue, or if you're building it for a business, you'll need to explore Apple's licensing agreements. Commercial use often involves royalties and specific terms outlined by Apple. These fees are dependent on factors like your user base and how deeply you integrate Apple Music's features. Be sure to carefully review the Apple Music Partner Program details on Apple's developer website for precise costs and conditions. For developers, the Apple Developer Program is a must. This program gives you access to resources, support, and distribution channels, but it comes with an annual fee. The Apple Developer Program fee gives you access to use other Apple APIs as well. Don't let potential costs scare you away. With careful planning and a clear understanding of licensing, you can create amazing music experiences using the Apple Music API.